Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rian Ibrahim Pratama from Group 8.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Bram Arfi Munajat dari kelompok 8. Application architecture describe the behavior of application used in a business, focus on how they interact with each other and with users. It is focused on the data consumed and produced by application rather than their internal structure. Then, the architecture of the building can also describe the patterns and techniques used to build and build application. Its architecture gives you a roadmap and best practice to follow when building your app, so you get a well-structured app. Architecture is a response to the conceptual and practical difficulties of the description and the design of complex systems. System architecture helps to describe consistently and design efficiently complex systems such as an industrial system, an IT infrastructure, an organization, a business, and a project. Four different types of system architecture. First is integrated, which is orchestration, computing, storage, and networking are tightly integrated in a single box. Second is distributed. Computing and storage are in separate system blocks, orchestrated separately and connected through networks. System upgrade is through replacing component blocks. Third is pooled. Computing, storage, and networks are in separate resource pools consisting of blocks and orchestrated separately. And the last is converged. Computing, storage, and networks are in separate resource pools jointly orchestrated and in a single chassis. System upgrade is through swapping components within the chassis. This web application architecture. Web application architecture is a framework that is comprised of the relationship and interaction between application components, such as middleware systems, user interface, and database. The general concept of web application architecture is in line with the concept of a browser user who triggers an application that is capable of running in multiple websites.
Before we start the presentation, the title our ISAS is Web Application Architecture in Front End. Okay. What is front end web development? The front end of a website is the part the user interact with everything that you see when you're navigating around the internet. From fonts and colors to drop-down menu and sliders is a combo of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's being controlled by your computer's browser. In here we can see about the architecture web application. The first, the user and front end and back end. Now in this ISAS, we just explain about the front end. Okay. Before we start the implementation in our web, let me explain about baseline web technology developed by front-end developer. The first is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. And then the second is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. In the CSS, we can have internal, external CSS, and inline CSS. In this implementation, we use external CSS. And the third is JavaScript programming language. The JavaScript, this is about just unique interact with the user. Okay, let we go to the implementation. In here we use the project, our project in the before. The first, we can see the home page. In the home page, the front end, like example, in here we can see standard room, deluxe room, presidential suite. We use a table. In here we can see the header. We use the header, and then the second, this is a profile page. In profile page, I'm use hover. So when the user in the cursor in here, so the box will white, and then in the footer, I'm place 3 box. left box, middle box, and right box. And then this is a booking page. In the booking page, just link to reservation. So example, we choose a presidential suite and then we click booking, and then when we click booking, we can see the reservation form in here. Example, I'm use JavaScript in reservation form. Example in here, we can see the JavaScript. So when the user fill the data, how many days? Example 2. So in here, 2 multiply 100 million, 1 million. And then the last is gallery page. In the gallery page, I'm use hover to like profile. This is use hover rotate transform. So when the user press the cursor in the box, the box will rotate and show the gallery. Okay, the last is web details. This website was created to make it easier for users to view some information about hotel, as well as to book hotel rooms online. To create this website, some applications are needed. The requirement for creating this website, the first is Visual Studio Code, and the second is browser, Chrome or Microsoft Edge or etc. Okay, thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.